think this is possibly one of my favorite parts of the house because I kind of like the way there are different textures merging in.
Yeah.
Like you have like these like restoration hardware kind of like wiring going through and whose idea was this, him or you?
This is Rashid's idea. Why?
Okay.
Yeah. Lekin
This was Ali.
this stone I wanted badly. Like I really wanted this stone because I wanted that earthy, organic.
Oh, Ali uncle and Zafar uncle.
Yeah.
Sweet.
My father-in-law and my father.
They, you know, they're also best friends and they also look a lot alike. Strangely.
One is very lucky if your father and your father-in-law
Yeah, they're.
can be friends. So you know. This is one of my favorite spaces. I come here to just contemplate and write and all that.
Oh,
and
you
this-
come here to write?
Yeah. I mean, each room has a balcony to itself,
Yeah.
and now the inside has been taken over by kids. Yeah.
However, I like that, you know, like, and it's really interesting because you get to see your pool from every kind of
Yeah.
room angle that you go in. Apart from your basement, I think everywhere else it's kind of the focal point of the house.
Ali had wanted that from every room you should be able to, you know, have a nice view and be able to see the pool. And
I believe you have a studio.
Yeah.
In the house.
The studio, Lightingale Studio.
Yeah.
That's in the basement.
So shall we go check it out?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then I want to talk about your new projects and everything.
Yes.
So is this your brainstorming room or like what
Yeah.
magic happens here?
Yeah. I mean, Thief in Trouble was written on this table in this room.
Oh wow.
And this is one of my writing tables here. Then I sit here by myself because you need that when you're writing you need isolation.
Yeah.
And this is also a place for just brainstorming and writing sessions and creative sessions and all. Yeah, this is another one of my writing chairs or reading chairs.
Is there anything that you brought into this house from like your old house?
Yeah, there's lots of stuff. Last ये चीज़ लिखी थी जो न्यू ईयर्स पे पढ़ी थी.
पढ़े जरा थोड़ा सा पढ़ा के.
न्यू ईयर्स नाइट पे थी कि हर साल की तरह ये साल भी गुजर जाएगा. कहीं पे कुछ बिगड़ेगा, कहीं संवर जाएगा. कई दिल टूटेंगे, कई आंखें भर आएंगी. लकीरें वही रहेंगी, किस्मतें बदल जाएंगी. कई अपने बेगाने, कई अजनबी दोस्त बन जाएंगे. भूले हुए अफसाने फिर खुद को दोहराएंगे. आशिक कई अपने यारों से मिल बैठेंगे. कई माशूक अपने प्यारों को सताएंगे. सियासी तमाशागर फिर से अपनी दुकानें चमकाएंगे. हक पे लड़ने वाले लड़ेंगे या मर जाएंगे. गरीब ठठरते हुए रोटी की तलाश में दिन गुजारेंगे और रईस रात भर नए साल का जश्न मनाएंगे.